All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on that front right wheel, it looks amazing. Super clean. There's a little marking here, and there are some water stains on that clear. It's gonna be really hard to tell because it is white. And when you look up here, you can tell the hood is a little more yellow than the fender and this trim here. This is really bright white. This is a little more dingy. Little imperfections here and there. Little chips. Looking at that pillar, it looks good. This trim right here, you can see it is faded. And you're gonna see the hard water stains on it. Looks like this was painted at some point, and you're gonna see a little bit of overspray, and there is no clarity to this anymore. It's more of a flat look. It's kind of faded. Looking around the door, overall looks good. You are gonna see the lines in the glass. Little chip here. Typical chips and scuffs. Got some markings here. You can see some touch up in this area. A little mark on the graphic here. Overall, it still looks pretty good. You have a gash here and there. Got some spots here. Typical little chips. See some markings, some little touch-up spots. Looking at that wheel, looks amazing. Clarity on those are perfect. They look really nice. Now the trim around it is really dingy, so you're gonna see that discoloration. And then looking at the hood, you can see all the texture and the little dimples in the paint. And there are little scuffs and scratches. And you're gonna have that orange peel effect to it. And then you are gonna see some little circles every once in a while. I know you're not gonna see it on camera as well. There are little circles and DA marks on there. Typical little chips, little touch up, little chips here and there. And you can see some imperfections here on that paint. Overall, that fender looks good. Wheels absolutely perfect. Typical little flaws. You're going to see some of that chipping. Typical scuffs in the glass. Chips on the edge. Little rock chips here and there. But overall, that door looks good. That graphic looks awesome. That wheel looks amazing. Got a little mark here. Got that roll pan, a couple little scuffs. A bit of damage here and there. You have some scuffs on that taillight. Overall though, that looks really good. All right, here on the passenger side, you do have a crack here on that plastic. A little bit of fading and imperfections on that top side. And you can see it here on that handle as well with the imperfections. Couple markings. Overall, that panel looks good. Floor mats look awesome. Love these seats. They look absolutely perfect. All of that looks good. Here on the dash. Overall, very clean. Headliner looks good. All right, checking out the engine bay here. I'm just gonna scan through some of this. Battery is from 5 of 24. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here, and it looks like this gauge does not work. It's stuck on 21.7. You're gonna have the typical creaks on the plastics. Shifts nice and smooth. Brakes feel good.